Rolex watch company is run by non-profitable charity trust and they donate 90% of their profit. The founder of the company was an orphan. Taylor Swift once accidentally released an 8-second song which has just white noise named Track 3. It quickly became the number one song on iTunes in Canada. According to science, a human body can tolerate only 40 days of pain. But when giving birth to a child, a mother can bear the pain of 57 days, which together is equivalent to breaking of 20 bones of the body. Without the moon, Earth's axis would shift unpredictably, and our seasons would not be constant. APJ Abdul Kalam was once asked to light a lamp. He used the candle and said, I am a Muslim, I am lighting a Hindu lamp using Christian's candle. Same should be the unity in our country. Two beluga whales are rescued from performing as show animals in China and their smells say it all. Indian High Court ruled that parents can take back the gifted property if they are ill-treated or harassed by their children. This is a great decision. A Japanese 1 yen coin is so light, it won't even break the surface tension on water. Children playing with cash that became worthless after World War I in Berlin, Germany 1920. The Angel of Death, made out of knives used in crimes to murder and damage people across Europe. Many still have the blood on them. It took a total of 2 years to create. 10-year-old Tilly Smith saved her family and 100 other tourists from the 2004 Asian tsunami by recognizing signs of tsunamis she had learned in a geography lesson 2 weeks before. Brahman Firm is the only actor who completed 1,000 films with a span of 28 years. His name has been placed in the Guinness Book of World Records. Once World War III was just 2 minutes away, but Russian army officer Vasily Arkhipov refused to drop nuclear bomb on America on October 27, 1962. He literally saved the world from nuclear war. Instagram causes insomnia. It has become the most common sleep distraction in the world. German chocolate cake doesn't come from Germany. It was named for a person, Sankt German, who created a type of baking chocolate for bakers in 1852. North Korea is sitting on $6 to $10 trillion worth of minerals it can't access due to lack of technology and equipment. Headache treatment in 1890 was vibration therapy. In Japan, there is spa where you can swim in tea, coffee and wine. First morning after Sweden changed from driving on the left side to right, 1967. California produces 80% of world's almond. Tobacco companies spend the most money on advertising during the month of January, when more people decide to quit smoking as New Year's resolution. Volunteer in Indonesia's Kepu village dress up as ghosts to scare people to stay in home due to COVID-19. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.